Hi, I'm Veena Gowani and my very warm wishes for a very joyous Diwali to all our viewers. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for a very quick, cool snack which is loved by both young and old. I'm going to make for you Dhokla Bhel, which is ready in just a jiffy. So let's see what goes into making Dhokla Bhel. So I have here a plate of Khaman Dhokla, freshly made Khaman Dhokla. You can make it at home or get it from outside. I have got it from the Farsan shop. I have one chopped onion here, finely chopped. Some ginger, very finely chopped. One green chili, finely chopped. And I have two chutneys here. The green chutney is the chili chutney which normally goes into green chili chutney which goes into the bhel. And this is a sweet chutney which is made of tamarind and jaggery, few coriander leaves and save which is used in bhel again. So now I am going to crumble each piece of dhokla into this bowl. So I have crumbled all the pieces of dhokla. Now I am going to add in the chopped onion, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, half of the green chili, and I'll add both the chutneys. So I will put a little bit of the chili chutney and more of the sweet chutney. And I now mix all this up well. Add a little more of the tamarind chutney. I'm now going to put in a little of the save into this so that the entire bhel is crunchy. And our bhel is now ready to serve. Our Dhokla Bhel is absolutely ready now. I'm just going to give it the finishing touches by sprinkling a lot of save on it. This gives it the nice crunchy taste, and this crunchiness of the save mixed with the softness of the dhokla and the sweet and tikha chutney make it absolutely scrumptious. And now just a little bit of finishing touch of coriander leaves to make it oh so yummy. A cool snack with a cool Coke glass is the best thing that can happen on a holiday.